What are you doing? What's up with the face?
Auntie.
I'm recording you.
Auntie.
I'm making a movie. What do you want to say to the camera?
Say hi, everybody.
Say hi.
Hi, everybody.
What are you trying to do to your leap pad?
Say, love you, Grandma.
I need Grandma.
Aww. What are you trying to do? You show Grandma your new leap pad?
Say,
Oh, there's a thing in it.
Say hi, people of Facebook.
Hi, Facebook.
Hi, Beach Book.
Auntie.
It's just a movie. It's not. I'm not taking a picture.
Say party like a rock star.
She wants to see. Say it.
Say, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Don't you even.
Where are you going? Fun.
Say, what you talking about?
What you talking about, Willie?
What you talking about, fool?
I hope that turned out. It's probably too quiet. You gotta speak up.
Say, shut, fool.
Shut, fool.
Shut, fool.
Shut, fool.
You better get down, you're gonna get hurt.
Uh-oh.
She's being an acrobat.
She's always been an acrobat. But, well.
Say, what up? Say, later, y'all. Look at him. Say goodbye. Say, later, y'all.
Bye, y'all.